Earthquake. Earthquakes are unpredictable, but preparedness saves lives. Good day, everyone. Today we will show what to do before an earthquake. First, attend earthquake drills. Attending earthquake drills is important because they provide a safe opportunity to practice the necessary actions to take during a real earthquake. Second, prepare a family emergency kit. A family emergency kit is a valuable tool to keep your family safe in times of earthquake. Third, learn evacuation routes and emergency plan. Learning evacuation routes and emergency plan for earthquakes is crucial because it allows you to quickly and safely exit a potential dangerous area during an earthquake. Lastly, learn how to turn off the water and electricity. It is recommended to turn off water and electricity to avoid any kind of catastrophic failure. Always remember, earthquakes are unpredictable, but preparedness saves lives.